Alright, this is an update to your wrist and hand lab. This exercise called dart thrower's motion. Is a combination of wrist extension and radial deviation, followed by wrist flexion and ulnar deviation. And it's the functional motion of the wrist, a highly effective exercise to strengthen up the wrist into a functional pattern for anyone who has a scapholunate ligament and SL ligament instability, wrist sprain, or hand pain, particularly on this thumb side of the hand. So we're going to use the band attached to the wall. You can also do this with a dumbbell or just active range of motion. So you're going to go through the entire motion of elbow flexion with the wrist and extension radial deviation to elbow extension, wrist flexion, ulnar deviation. Right? And they can do a mid-range if that's all they could do. They could stabilize the elbow and just do the wrist. And we want to try to progress them to the whole motion with the shoulder in 90 degrees of that flexion position, going all the way forward and all the way back. Okay? And then we can perform this in the opposite direction to get the other side by pulling back, going forward, back and forward like so. And then we can do this as a eccentric only exercise. I'm going to tie up the band, get a little more tension there. So you're going to pull and then release. I'm going to pull with both, eccentric, release. And I can do the same thing in the opposite direction. I'm going to pull with both and then only the eccentric phase here. Pull with both, only the eccentric phase.